You're now listening to A-Rod Music.
It's the mic killer, old school is in my mental. Writing all these lyrics in paragraph is essential. Spitting cold blocks from my mouth, igloo. Flow having memorized, actor brain till it's paralyzed. Write blueprints before you make a move, strategize. Smart individual thinking is always critical. Mom taught me the essence of thinking to reach my pinnacle. Teens in the middle, we work on a daily basis. I'ma grind to the top and never stop until we blow. I know other rappers say this, I'ma try to copy close. So let me work his dedication, always making inspiration. Hit that Xana, chance the rapper, stopping beats, they have a temper. Daddy P's the only one that got me back up on this rap shit. Pookie G's the one that listened, then he put me on a label. So the models get my money, never made us run on rap. Saw me recording all the shots with the hands on my back, so I do this for my girl when I'm working on the shop. Twiddle up my money like I was doing 20 for my money, headies ain't getting nothing from me. My dime, motherfucker, better than everything. Around me, don't tell us over short, nigga. Got us over here, I'm running this shit, but not like a relay. Giving everything, getting kinda greedy. Don't tell us over short, nigga, get it ass, man. We got real fake niggas, you ain't got that. Started with a stopping on words in a minute, circle shopping, nigga, pin a nigga, figure it out in the real circle, clothes, niggas, hold niggas, hot one, cold niggas, time more spending, shoot me getting a smash. I'm banging,
Yeah.
I'm banging, I'm banging, I'm banging.
Here we got one, nigga.
I'm banging, I'm banging, I'm banging, I'm banging, I'm banging, I'm banging.
I'm banging on the, yeah.
I'm banging, I'm banging,
I'm banging,
I'm banging,
I'm banging,
I'm banging,
I'm banging,
I'm banging,
yeah.
I'm banging, I'm banging, I'm banging.
Okay.
I'm banging, I'm banging, I'm banging.
Look. Back to being up late on this crucial shit. Took a smoke break, mind higher, man, I'm losing it. I came a long way. Started from the bottom, had a couple problems, I solved them. Now niggas acting startled regardless. I do me, the rest remains history. The missing piece to the puzzle, now the game has been complete. I take a step back and visualize what I plan to be. A beast in the making, nigga. Crack open the switch is sweet. Nigga, please don't hate on what I got. Wristwatch goes tick-tock, sound like a sign bomb. If hurricanes kill, then this shit is a massacre. CeeLo is the neighborhood boogeyman, yeah, I'm after ya. Slow it down now, let these hoes feel my pain. Came a long way from a nigga who used to slang, but nigga, I bang. Blue rag kid, flame the blood in the crib like Nipsey and YG, man. Rest in peace to the OGs that was ahead of me. Free my bros Buddha and my bros Lil Ricky G. I'm yelling free my little niggas till they back in the fucking streets. Young niggas gotta eat, pussy niggas go to sleep. Salute the general. When I'm in your presence, the lessons more like the blessings. I sneeze, so yet they blessing me. Wings on my back, hard buried in the track. Eyes closed, let the match. Lyrics crucial, beat slap, boy, I bang, 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 bang.